Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about measurement of length. Okay, in our previous class we have already learned about what are the standard units that is used for each of the measurement, and in for this measurement of length we learned that the standard unit is meter. Okay, so the first sentence that we will write is standard unit for measuring length equal to meter. Apart from meter, there are other units that you are going to learn. Okay, that is centimeters. First I'll write millimeter, then comes centimeter, and we have kilometer. Okay, now all of these units, millimeter, centimeter and kilometer, these all are multiples of meter only. Okay, they are we can convert these units among, means we know how many meters makes 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter or 1 kilometer. Okay. Okay, so here we have to understand the conversions. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This we have to remember. Okay, this is the standard unit of measurement of length based on that which is internationally certified. Okay, internationally all other countries they support these kind of measurements. Okay. Now, earlier in 1950, the people of India, okay, they were using some different measures of length. They were using the units like hath and gaz. What is hath? One hath means one hand, this one. Gaz means double of it, like up till this. This was gaz. Okay, so we say that 2 hath is equal to 1 gaz. And during the Britishers' time, they were using miles and furlongs as markers on the road. What is the value of mile? 1 mile equal to 8 furlongs, and that is again equal to 1760 yards, and that is again equal to 1.61 kilometer. So we can also tell that 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. We can say that. So I hope you have understood the different units. Now how to convert from one unit to another unit, let us learn in details. Now we will learn about conversion of units of length. Okay. Now whatever we have learned, that was the important formula. Okay, like how to convert from one unit to another unit. That was like 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So now based on those three formulas only we can find out conversion of any number from any unit to another unit. Okay, so how are we going to do this? For this, two things you have to remember. One is smaller unit and bigger unit. Okay, see, when we write down the value of units in their ascending order, then first comes millimeter. Millimeter will come obviously first because it is the smallest unit. Okay, millimeter is smallest unit of length. After that comes centimeter. Okay, centimeter is what? It is bigger than millimeter. Then comes meter. Meter is what? It is bigger than centimeter. And the last one comes kilometer. Which is the largest unit of length. Or I can say biggest unit of length. Now you have to remember one important thing. Whenever we convert from small to big, what we do? Suppose I want to convert some millimeters to centimeter. Means millimeter is a small unit and centimeter is a bigger unit. In that case, what we are doing? We are doing division. Okay, that is small to big conversion. What we do? Multiplication, division. Okay, and big to small conversion. For big to small conversion, we use multiplication. I hope this thing is clear to you. Smaller unit to bigger unit. Example, what are the examples used for this? Let me tell you. Like we have centimeter to meter. This is an example of smaller unit to bigger unit. Or millimeter to centimeter. This is also one example of smaller to bigger conversion. Or we can also write meter to kilometer. Now what is big to small conversion? Under big to small conversion, what it will come? We will have centimeter to millimeter. Centimeter to millimeter. Or meter to centimeter. Meter to centimeter. Or kilometer to meter. I hope this is clear to you. What all conversions come under small to big and what all conversions come for big to small conversions. Now applying these formulas, we have to convert. We have to do the conversion. I will do some examples. Let just see. Suppose I went to market and I bought some cloth for myself. I bought a dupatta that is length is 2 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, the length of dupatta is 2 meter 25 centimeter and I want to convert this entirely into centimeter. Okay, 2 meter 25 centimeter convert into centimeter. Now here what we have to do, centimeter part is already there, that is 25 centimeter. Now what you have to convert is only the meter part, that is 2 meter you have to convert it into centimeter. Now if you have to convert from meter to centimeter, means it is a conversion that is big to small. So in big to small we were doing multiplication. Okay, and we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We already know this. We say 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This formula we know, and we also know that it is a big to small conversion. Okay, these two things we have to keep in mind. Now what we have to do? We have to convert 2 meter. 2 meter means we have to multiply. Big to small means you have to do multiplication. So 2 meter equal to 2 into 100 we have to do. 2 into 100 centimeter. 2 into 100 centimeter means that is equal to 200 centimeter. but our conversion was 2 meter 25 centimeter. We have only converted 2 meter now. Now, therefore, 2 meter 25 centimeter will be, this 25 centimeter gets added to this 200 centimeter. So, what we will write here? 200 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. That is equal to 225 centimeter. I hope this is clear to everyone. How have we converted 2 meter 25 centimeter into centimeter? Now we will do one more example in which we have to convert centimeter into meters. Okay. Suppose the question is like this. Convert 4275 centimeter into meters. So what are the things that is coming to your mind first? First we have to take out the formula. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is the first formula. And the conversion is from centimeter to meters, means it is from small to big. Small to big conversion means you have to do division here. These are the two things that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, four to 75 centimeter equal to 4275 divided by 100 meter. Okay. So that is again equal to, we will get the answer in meters as well as centimeters. Means whenever we divide, we will get a remainder. Here the quotient that you get, that is 42, and remainder that you get, that is 75. Okay, so this I keep in the bracket. After division you get like this. So quotient part is already converted into meter. Okay, so we write it as 42 meter, and remainder part will remain in the same unit, that is centimeter. So we will write here 75 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we are converting the centimeter into meters. Now suppose we are converting kilometer to meters. Okay, convert 7 kilometer to meters. Now in this, what type of conversion it is? First you try to understand. It is a big to small kind of conversion. It is big to small conversion, which means you have to do multiplication. And the conversion is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So we have 7 kilometer here. So what we will write? 7 kilometer equal to, because we have to use multiplication here. So 7 into 1000 meter, that is equal to 7000 meter. This is how we are converting kilometers to meters. Now let us do vice versa, that is converting meters into kilometer. Suppose the question is convert 1656 meter into kilometer. So first we should know the conversion. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and we know it is a small to big conversion. For small to big conversion we use division symbol. Okay, so 1656 meter equal to, we have to divide this by 1000. 1656 divided by 1000, this much kilometer, that is equal to, we know what is the quotient here. Quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 656. So our answer will be whatever quotient that is converted into kilometer. So we will write here 1 kilometer, and whatever is the remainder, that is 656, remains as meter. Okay, because it is less than a kilometer, that is why we cannot convert. So 656 remains as meter. So answer is 1 kilometer 656 meter. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now let us do some questions from exercise 7a. I am doing question number 1 bit D. The question is 10 meter 10 centimeter. We have to convert it into centimeter. So first thing that you have to understand is what is the conversion. So it is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. First thing you should know. And the second is the conversion is from meter to centimeter. So it is from big to small. It is big to small. So for big to small, what we do? We do multiplication. So first 10 centimeter, no need to touch because it is already in centimeter. So you just have to think about 10 meters. So 10 meters equal to 10 into 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1000 centimeter. Therefore 10 meter 10 centimeter equal to 1000 plus 10. 1000 plus 10 centimeter, that is equal to 1010 centimeter. Okay, let us move to question number 2. Question number 2, I am doing again bit D. The question is, we have to convert 4005 centimeters. 4005 centimeter, we have to convert it into meter and centimeter. Again the same thing that you have to understand. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and it is a conversion from what to what? That is centimeter to meter, means it is a small to big conversion. It is a small to big conversion. So what we have to do? We have to do division. Okay. So 4005 centimeter equal to 4005 divided by 100. Okay. So that is equal to, what we are going to get here? Quotient we will get as 40, and remainder what we are going to get? It will be 05. So quotient part is converted into meter. So we will write here 40 meter and remainder part, that is 5 centimeter. This is our final answer. Proceeding on to question number 3, I am doing bit D. The question is, we have to convert 16 meter to meters. So first, what type of conversion it is? It is a big to small conversion. So what we have to do? Multiplication. Okay. And 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So now you see what we will do. 16 kilometer we need to convert. 16 kilometer equal to 16 into 1000 meter equal to 16,000 meter. Okay. And how to convert the total thing, that is 16 kilometer, 16 meter equal to 16,000 plus 16 meter, that is equal to 16016 meter. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we go to the next question, that is number 4. Okay. Fill in the blanks just by writing the last 3 digits as meter and the remaining as kilometers. Okay, so the question is 4, I am doing bit D. 9,000 meter equal to dash kilometer and dash meter. Here what we have to do, what kind of conversion this is from meter to kilometer means, it is small to big. It is a small to big conversion, so you have to do division. This is the first thing. So 9,000 meter means you have to divide it by 1000. 9,000 meter is equal to 9,000 divided by 1000. Okay, so that is equal to 9 kilometer and 0 meter. Or you write only 0 meter. Okay, so this is what you will put here, 9 kilometer and 0 meter. I hope this is clear to everyone. So please complete the rest of the bits yourself.